Hi friends, this is Dr. Carolyn Satya, and today I'm speaking on role modeling. And what is that? Follow the right role model and be the right role model. In 1 Timothy 4:12, Paul advises Timothy, who was a spiritual son, to set an example or in fact be a role model to the believers. Paul had left Timothy in charge of the Ephesus church when he left to Macedonia. So his instruction to Timothy was, be a role model to the believers of the church. And what is a role model? A role model is a person whose behavior or character or example or success is or can be imitated by others. In fact, a role model is someone who is worthy of imitation, who's worthy to be imitated. Now we see our youngsters take up some sports personnel or some movie star or some politician or world leader as their role model. In fact, this role modeling happens in everybody's life at some point in their lifetime, more so during the youth period. Okay, so here Paul was Timothy's role model. In 1 Corinthians 11:1, Paul says, imitate me as I also imitate Christ. So from this verse, we know that Paul is imitating Christ. And Paul looked unto Jesus as his role model, and he followed the footsteps of Jesus Christ. So he could say that he imitated Jesus Christ. Now, Timothy, who was the spiritual son of Paul, had a close association with Paul. And so when he watched the life of Paul, he could see the qualities of Jesus Christ reflected in his life. So when he imitated Paul or he took Paul as his role model, in fact, he was looking unto Jesus Christ and taking up Jesus as his role model. Now, Paul, when he looked at Timothy, he could see the qualities of Jesus Christ in his life, and thereby he was comfortable to leave him in charge of the Ephesus church. Now, this is a scenario. Timothy was left as a role model to the believers of the church, and Timothy's role model was Paul, and Paul's role model was Jesus Christ. Thereby, Timothy's role model was indirectly Jesus Christ. I hope you understand this. So what do we learn from this? We have to take Jesus Christ as our role model. And Hebrews 4:15 says, for we do not have a high priest who cannot sympathize with our weaknesses, but one who has been tempted in all things as we are, yet without sin. Now somebody might say, how can I take Jesus as my role model? He's God. How can I live like how he lived in this world? Now I want to tell you something. When Jesus Christ lived in this world, he lived as Son of Man. He had the same feelings, emotions, hurt, pain, temptations like we have. Because he lived as a human being, as a man in this world. So if he could love his enemies, so can we. I can give you an example from the Bible. Now, the first martyr, Stephen, what did he do? When he was stoned, he knelt down and prayed for those who were stoning him. He loved them. He loved his enemies who were killing him. And how could he do that? Because he took Jesus Christ as his role model. If Stephen can do, so can we. Now, Jesus Christ was a person who practiced what he preached. He was a person who walked his talk. In the Beatitudes, he said, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. And he practiced it. Yes, as he was hanging on the cross, he prayed for those people who handed him over to the Romans to be killed. Yes, he practiced what he preached. Jesus set an example in this. Love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. And you can practice it too. He set an example in honoring his parents. As he was hanging on the cross, he did not forget to hand over his mother Mary to his beloved disciple John to be taken care of. You can practice it too. He set an example in being compassionate to the poor and needy and the sick. You can practice it too. He set an example in being a prayer warrior. He prayed in the morning, he prayed in the evening, he prayed the whole night, he prayed alone, he prayed with his disciples, he prayed for his enemies. You can practice it too. See, to take Jesus Christ as your role model, all you have to do is look into his Instagram account, and that is the Holy Bible. Everything is given there. The way he lived, what he taught, the way he treated others, the way he behaved when he was ill-treated and when he was insulted by others. Everything is there in the Bible. Hebrews 12:2 says, "Let us fix our eyes on Jesus." Now, why should you fix your eyes on Jesus? Philippians 2:5 says, "Let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus." Meaning, you have to copy the mindset of Jesus. That is why you have to fix your eyes on him and copy his mindset. Now, when you copy his mindset, you will behave like how he behaved in this world. You will love others like how he loved. You will forgive others like how he forgave. You will love your enemies like how he loved. You will pray for your enemies like how he prayed. You will live in this world like how he lived. This is imitating Jesus Christ. And the next step is you being a role model to others. Since Jesus Christ is your role model, when you become a role model to others, you will be reflecting the qualities of Jesus Christ. And when the qualities of Jesus Christ are reflected in your life, it will be you becoming the light of the world. And that is what Jesus said in Matthew 5:14. He said, "You are the light of the world." When you thus become the light of the world, it will be a pathway for the people in darkness to walk towards Jesus Christ. You will be showing them the way to reach Jesus Christ. Dear friends, take Jesus Christ as your role model. Get the qualities of Jesus Christ in your life, and then you become a role model to others. Reflect the qualities of Jesus Christ to them and be the light of the world. Let people walk towards Jesus Christ from darkness, and let your light be an instrumental, a pathway, show a pathway to those in the darkness. God bless you.